Peace and blessings, everyone. Do it again. Peace and blessings, everyone. I'm Jehudijah Jubilee, and I want to say first and foremost, thank you for stopping by my channel. So as you can see, I have a style that I want to show you. And you know, I've been locked since September 13th of 2019. So I'm coming up on my year. I just got a retie, and I thought I would share with you all how I achieved this style. So if you're interested, or if you have locks and you haven't really styled your hair yet, because that's kind of where I was. I've styled it, but I really haven't styled it. And you want to try to style it, this is such a simple, easy as 1, 2, 3. And yes, I know I'm quoting Jackson 5, Michael Jackson them, but I'm serious. It is that simple, and it's so cute. And it's great for when you're going to sleep. Just twist up the back, tie it down. So if you want to see how I achieve this style, go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of this video. Wait, before you do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And also hit that notification bell so you can know every time I drop another dope video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the video. I love this style. It's so cute. I mean, let's go.